Continuing on, I got this, the diecast is now cooled down. I have my Dremel hooked up. We are going to go ahead and cut those fairings down a little more so everything looks nice and gorgeous the way I want it to. Now I'm going to try and do this so you can see it and not cover up the camera shot, so bear with me if this takes a few minutes to kind of get set and figured out. Like I said, I do want you to see this so you can do this on your own, and I think we're good to go. Let's give it a go, see what happens. On both sides, and then you can always take more off. If you're not happy with the way it's looking, you can always take more off, but you can't put it back, so always keep that in mind. Next step here is I do want to go ahead and remove some of this die cast. Let's show you why. Because on the real truck, and I got to go consult my photos to make sure I'm not wrong, this does not exist on the real cab, so all of this would be gone like on the real truck. So that will be the next step. And you can do that 1,000 ways. One would be to use a file, your Dremel or grinder, your belt sander, whatever you might have handy.